Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day on whatever day you're watching this. Today is currently 4/22, so happy Tuesday, everyone. My name is Desiree. I do all things budgeting, and today I am going to do a cash stuffing of the rest of the money from the budget that I should have cash stuffed, but I didn't. So let's see what we got left. Also, I am going to switch over to the envelopes that I did get from Chris, and I'll probably use them for, well, probably for the rest of the year, if not until fall, because I don't have any fall envelopes, so I have to get some of those fall and winter envelopes. So these were designed from Chris over at Budgeting Just Because. She has different ones. So she has this one, which she called the Danny. And y'all know I love red, but I've been heavy on lavender lately. Kind of wish these was lavender, but that's another story. So I have a variable expenses dashboard, and I have 6 envelopes. So with me having new envelopes, let's go ahead and get my wallet set up. So I've already went through and removed some of my cards and things that had my name and all of that stuff on the front. So these are from Gina Renee RN Budgets, and I'm sure I got a couple of receipts in them, but we'll see about those later. And I do have some labels from Danny somewhere that I will be using, but not right now. So I'm just going to use these how they are, and I'll know which one has, what amount of money. Let's go ahead and talk about the money. Let me move this in a little closer. So here is the budget for my second paycheck of the month. And here are my variable expenses. And let's see how much money I have. If I counted it right, I should have enough to do this cash stuffing properly. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 5, 100, 5, 10, 11, $12. So $112, and I have this until I get paid. Again, I do have a magic month. Okay, yeah, that may be better. So I do have a magic month paycheck coming up. I think I get paid next week. I don't know. I've kind of not kept up with paydays in a while, and I want you all to be able to see this properly. Let me see, because you don't have to see that side. And I'm just using my keyboard cushion here so I can prop this up. Okay, that's much better. And this envelope just says receipts, and I'm not sure where I got it from. I know I got it from someone on Etsy, and it's been a while. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and also turn your notification bell on. That way you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So we have, and this does not lay flat at all, but that's okay. And Chris, thank you for the variable expenses dashboard. Let's get started, and let me see. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this with you all seeing everything. Let's head and talk about my expenses. Remember, This was from the first paycheck, so don't pay attention to that. I am using the rest of this because who wants to waste paper? With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about it. The 16th, I went to Walmart. Out of $170, I did spend $96 with $74 left. For Jasmine, I got her some things that she typically uses monthly. So $23 from Amazon, and I did get it from Amazon because those are the best. And she should have $17 left because I haven't gotten anything else for her. Next, for grocery, out of $74, I spent $40 in Walmart. Y'all, on Easter, I wanted a pot roast, so I went to Walmart maybe a couple days before Easter. Was looking for a pot roast, never did find it. I did find one when I went on this day right here. And I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and buy it and cook it for Sunday. Next, we have spending. I did go to Dollar General. I realized that I was out of detergent when I went to go wash clothes yesterday. So I got that and grabbed something else from Dollar General. I don't remember, but it was $16 if you round up. I also spent $5 from miscellaneous, which I don't know why I took it out of miscellaneous when it should have came from spending, but that's okay. I got $5 worth of quarters from the laundromat, and when it comes to spending, I did spend $3 and I have $1 left. Now I do have $4 in Chime, which would go for spending, but I may just go ahead and send that to Allie. We'll see. Let's get in the cash stuffing part of this and just do this right here. So first we're doing miscellaneous. Miscellaneous will get $14. So if I got $14, probably. So what I'm doing now is using the savings challenge that I did yesterday and making change. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're back on track. So first we're starting off with miscellaneous. Miscellaneous should have $14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And let me just put it in here. Okay, next we have fun for $20. Have any of you went to the movies to see, what is the name of that movie with Michael B. Jordan? Sinners. I haven't seen it, but I've read reviews and saw different TikToks on it. What do you all think about it that have seen it? So we have miscellaneous fun, still got 20. Grocery will end up getting $34. So 20, 30. Instead of me putting $34 in grocery, I'm actually going to put $30 in grocery. And I think that would help a lot, especially if I'm able to save, you know, $3 here, $4 there. And let's see, so since grocery needs $34, and I should have $4 in Chime that I could also send to Ellie. I think I need let's do this here. Travel is 30 bucks, so I haven't used money from travel just yet, but I do need gas today. I mean, I do literally need gas, like on E, but the light is not on, need gas. What else? Furbrats. How much money do Jasmine have? And I think I already did hers. Did I? How much is this? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, y'all. So I forgot that spending is only needing $1. And this is that $1 which I'm most likely going to save because there is no need of spending it. And like I said, I do have $4 in chime that would go with grocery, but I'm going to send that to Allie as well. And I'm going to put this $1 right here in my rollover envelope once I get my binder. But that's it. And put it in this binder. And just put on my tracker I have 0 for spending, and now I have 106. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 110 for rollover. And I forgot about opening this Happy Mail that I got in the mail from, ooh, I almost showed it. So Cassie wanted everyone to send their address. And y'all, wait a minute. There we go. So this is the envelope. Okay, this is the envelope. It is so beautiful. From the other side, you can't really tell this way, but if that's not going to work either, but you can see the detail on it. And let me try again. You can sort of see the detailing on it, sort of, and it looks pretty. So thank you, Cassie. Let's see what she sent. So this is one of them, and it just says, thank you for joining March Madness. And this right here equals $5 from Jeanette's Journey. Thank you. And this is a little thank you. Let's see if there's anything on the back, and there isn't. And y'all, this is so beautiful. It just says, thank you for playing along with us, S&C Budgets Creation. Of course, I can add this to the saving challenges that I'm doing now for $1 each. And it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So round up to, let's just say $20. So this is going to be $1 each, which will be 20 bucks. And whoever designed this, it's so beautiful. Y'all, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? But other than that, that's all I have. Let's see how my wallet closes. Oh, it closed perfectly fine. And I need to go back and add this in as well. But hey y'all, so I went back, looked over everything, and realized that the $14 from not grocery, but miscellaneous, it was supposed to be 11, and you can see where I scratched it out, put miscellaneous, and $3 from miscellaneous versus from spending. So I also found some more dollar bills in my envelopes that I was able to make some change with. So miscellaneous have 11, fun has 23, 3. Grocery has 34, travel has 30, spending has $4, I think. And Jasmine still have her $17, but I just wanted to just show you all the changes. Bye.